Hey guys, how's it going? Solo back with another daily video, and let's do a little bit differently today because big day tomorrow. Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN or coin, is going to start trading publicly, and I think there's a lot of buzz around it. I'm even looking at maybe dabbling in a few shares here and there. All depends on what the price is going to be. But let's take a look at Coinbase, do a little bit of research. You can watch to see what happens. But here's the website right now. I will admit this is the first time I've been on their website, coinbase.com. I don't have an account. I don't own any coins right now. But if you're into that kind of stuff, there's a bunch of people in the Discord server right now just going crazy on crypto right now. And they are very knowledgeable, very smart. So I'm learning from them every day as well. But let's take a look at the Coinbase website. See, if you're a noob like me, what are you going to see when you go to the website? Well, it looks like a pretty clean website, very similar to Robinhood, meaning it's a clean interface. I like how they put the major coin prices right here on the front page. Looks like Bitcoin is over $63,000, up 6% on the day. Ethereum hit all-time highs, trading almost at $2,300 a coin, up over 7% on the day. Litecoin up 9%. Bitcoin Cash also up 10%. All of the crypto, I believe Doge was up, I want to say around 20 or even 30% today. I think a lot of these crypto coins are getting bumps and pumps because of Coinbase going public tomorrow. Coinbase, my understanding, is basically like a Robinhood or a Webull where you can buy and sell crypto coins. But now you might be asking yourself, well, you can trade crypto like Doge and Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin on Robinhood. So if I already have a Robinhood account, why do I need a Coinbase account? Well, the big difference that I learned is that when you trade crypto on Robinhood, you actually don't own the coins, meaning there's no way for you to withdraw the coin from Robinhood into your own wallet. Let's say you own one Bitcoin. There's no way for you to get it off Robinhood. But with Coinbase, there is. So not only can you trade the coins, but let's say you own a couple Bitcoin and you're rich now, but you don't want to have it stored on the brokerage, basically. You want to store it on your own, maybe cold wallet. Well, Coinbase allows you to take your Bitcoins out and store them in your own wallet, which is a big key difference between Coinbase, for example, and someone like Robinhood. So right now, I'm really liking the interface right now. Looks like they have ways you can manage your portfolio by obviously buying and selling digital currencies and keeping track of them in one place, just like any other brokerage. But here's another cool feature. You can have recurring buys. So maybe every paycheck, you want to buy some more Bitcoin or more Doge or more Ethereum. Looks like you can set up a recurrent schedule so you can invest in crypto slowly over time by scheduling buys daily, weekly, or monthly. And like I said, you have vault protection, meaning you can store your funds in a vault with time delayed withdrawals. Obviously, they have mobile apps for Android and iOS. As of right now, it says they're the most trusted cryptocurrency platform because of secure storage. They're protected by insurance policies, and apparently they have industry best practices by supporting a variety of the most popular digital currencies. Take a look at this. In one quarter, their quarterly volume is $335 billion. That's billion with a B of volume traded in over 100 countries with over 56 million verified users. Apparently, it's very quick to get started. Create an account, link your bank account, and boom, start buying and selling. Sounds a lot like Robinhood. And if they can do Robinhood but better, hopefully this brokerage just goes to the moon. Looks like you can also earn money with crypto by going to this link here. But let's do some due diligence, take a look at some news articles. So the first one I came across was this one at a CNBC by Jimmy Chill here. CNBC's Jim Cramer. He actually recommended buying Coinbase shares at the right price when it opens for trading tomorrow. And he's saying he thinks Coinbase is the real deal. The numbers are incredible, but he hates the timing, he said. And he's saying investors should start a position in Coinbase below $475 and double down on the stock on a decline, he said. We'll talk about the pricing in just a second because the real question is, how much is it going to go for when the market opens up? And he's saying he's impressed by the popular cryptocurrency exchange's business model and leadership team. And he's saying the stock may rally hard out of the gate, but investors should be disciplined and not chase it because it will likely be volatile after listing directly on the NASDAQ. So keep in mind, this is not an IPO, so institutions did not get shares at a lower price. Basically going to be a free-for-all once it starts trading, meaning it doesn't matter if you're a big fish, a small fish, institution, or if you just want to buy one share, it doesn't matter. It's going to be a free-for-all. Everybody gets in at the same time. And he says apparently he's a big believer in cryptocurrency, and you're going to want to own Coinbase for the long haul, the Mad Money host Jim Cramer says. What matters to him is that there's a tremendous appetite for this new asset class, and it's not going away. You don't have to be a believer in crypto, the concept, to believe in crypto, the investment, he said. He's saying, obviously, right now, one of the big kind of bull cases for Coinbase is the strong performance of Bitcoin right now, which, like I just showed you, is over $63,000 a coin right now. Coinbase, the company, was actually founded back in 2012, supports trading a wide range of cryptocurrencies, like I said, including Ethereum and Litecoin, and it makes money on commissions. So unlike Robinhood, you do pay a commission on Coinbase for making some of these trades. He says, again, I say buy some tomorrow, ideally at less than $475 a share, but he accepts that some has to be bought, and then wait to buy more on weakness and get ready for the bumpiest ride of your financial life, a ride I expect to be lucrative over the long haul. Interesting take by Jimmy Chill, but he is saying at the end of the day, he recommends, I guess, to get in. Obviously, we always do our own due diligence, never listen to what anybody says, including me or Jimmy Chill or anybody on the internet or TV. Always do your own research before buying or selling anything. Here's another article out of Fortune magazine. Again, Coinbase is going public without an IPO. It's a direct listing. And let's talk about how that direct listing works. That's why I like this article here. And it says it's going to be one of the biggest launches of 2021, or at least the most anticipated so far. And it's saying, I mean, this is crazy, that some estimate Coinbase could fetch an astonishing $100 billion valuation. And based on Coinbase's reference price, its valuation may be more in the $65 billion range. So a little bit less. And like I said, it's going to begin trading tomorrow. But it's going to begin trading not via IPO or a SPAC, but via a direct listing. And what they're saying, basically, how does a direct listing work? So other stocks that are directly listed were Spotify, Slack, and Palantir, actually, back in 2018, 2019, and 2020, respectively. And really, with a direct listing, the company, like I said, is not going to issue any new shares or raise any extra capital in its debut, and it forgoes having an underwriter along with the fees and the roadshow tied to the IPO process. So it seems like it's a more streamlined process. And instead of having a bank underwrite the listing and drum up buyers for the shares at an IPO price, which is going to be set by the banks, the company is offering up their shares directly to the public instead. So here's the question we all want to know is, should we expect a pop when trading opens up? Really, when a stock skyrockets from its IPO price, which is the price at which institutional investors bought shares before it begins trading for the general public, there's often a big pop. You'll see a lot of headlines about how much money was left on the table or what kind of frequently criticized mispricing of the stock is going on. But other big names back in December, not too long ago, like Airbnb, DoorDash, they saw huge IPO pops on the first day. For example, Airbnb basically doubled over 100% in its market debut. But direct listings, like I said, it's going to work a bit differently. In this direct listing, the stock exchange and the financial advisors they're going to set a reference price. And now the reference price for Coinbase is $250 per share per NASDAQ. And what that means is that it's a jumping off point or benchmark, usually based on where the company was trading in the private market. Now, the interesting thing is that in the private market, Coinbase was trading actually for $350 a share. So it's going to be interesting to see what price Coinbase actually comes in on. My assumption is that no matter what price we begin trading on, we'll probably see a huge pop initially, maybe a little bit of a pullback, maybe even dipping below where it opened at, who knows? And then I'm sure we'll have people buying the dip and then going long on the stock. That's my opinion. That's what I think is going to happen. I don't think it's just going to go straight to the moon the second it opens up in trading, but you never know. because if these big money institutions are buying up all the shares, it may just absolutely moon. We'll have to wait and see. Let me know in the comments below. Do you use Coinbase to trade crypto? Are you going to be buying some shares of the direct listing tomorrow? Make sure you join the Discord server if you're not in there already. As always, add me on Twitter, StockTwits, Instagram, and Reddit. And I am going to be starting a Twitch channel soon. Maybe do some due diligence and research live after hours. Maybe play some video games. So make sure you join the Discord server if you want to keep in touch with that. Add me on Twitch as well. And as always, hope you're having a green week, and I'll see you on the moon.